So today we will be beginning with a new chapter, that is decimals. Decimals, this chapter decimal you have already done in previous classes also. So just take, we will get on a roller coaster, we will move on a roller coaster slide and seeing what we have learned and what we are going to learn today. So this is chapter 6 in your book, decimals. See, what does decimals mean? A decimal is another way to write fractions, or we can say fractions with denominator as power of 10 are known as decimal fractions. Fractions, you will say, ma'am, what does this statement mean? Right or wrong? Right? You are having a query. First statement is okay, ma'am. A decimal is another way to write fractions. Okay. What does this statement mean? Fraction with denominator as power of 10 are also known as decimal fraction. So let me clarify you. See, if I write tens, what does this tens mean? Tens means fractions having 10 as the denominator. Fractions having 10 as the denominator. That means what I am saying? 1 by 10, or we can say 3 by 10. So, if we convert this tenth to a decimal form, what will happen? See, 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. What is the thing we are doing? We are taking a decimal point to the left side of a number according to the number of zeros I am having in the denominator. Am I clear? So what will be the change for 3 by, and we will read this 1 by 10 equal to 0.1 as 0.1. We read this, the number name for this value is 0.1. Let's see another example. As you can see, I have taken 3 by 10. So what will happen to 3 by 10? It will become 0.3 and we will read it as 0.3. Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
No. So can I move ahead? Can I move?
Yes,
Okay. Now comes another one. Hundredths. I'm not writing hundreds. I have written what? Hundredths. THS. So what does hundredths mean? Means fractions having 100 as the denominator. What? That is 1 by 100 or 3 by 100 and many more. So what's happening? If we want to convert 100 to decimal, it will happen what? 1 by 100 is equal to G. In previous case, there was 1 0 in the denominator, so we shifted the decimal to one position of left of one position. Now we have shifted to how many positions? 2 positions. So it became 0.01. Clear? And we will read it as 0.01. Sorry. Next one, 3 by 100, that is equal to 0.03. Are you clear with this? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can I move ahead? Can I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now see, what happens to thousands? If we are talking about thousands, means fractions having thousands as a denominator. In the denominator, what we have now? 1000. So example is 1 by 1000 or 3. Such same numbers I have taken with different denominators. So convert thousands to decimal. 1 by 1000 is equal to, see, now we have 3 zeros, so we shifted decimal to 3 positions. 1, 2, 3. So then we read it as 0.001. Now let's see, 3 by 1000 becomes 0.003. Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
So have you understood the form of in which for how we read the fraction decimals? Have you understood? And what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
concept behind decimals? The fraction form of decimal is if we write thousands in place of, sorry, in denominator if we write 10, it becomes 10. If we have in denominator 100, it's become 100. We can convert into 100. And if we have 1000, we convert the decimal into position of 3, that is thousands. Now let's see further ahead. Okay, let's see the next slide. Mixed fractions. Now we are talking about mixed fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, and so on.
And so,
Any problem? Anyone said something? Any problem?
no, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Let's go. Okay, mixed fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, and so on. So you can see here 3, 1 by 10, where 10 is, denominator is 10. So we can break 3 plus on number line here already learned that 3 and we move 1 by 10 ahead, right? In this form only we make number line or not? For number line, we do this step or not? Yes or no? On fractions, for number line, do we do this step? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? You are not studying at
No.
all.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Not studying at all. Please respond. Who will tell me the truth that I am not studying at all? No one is going to tell me a truth. Okay, let's move ahead. So, what will happen? 3 will be copied as it is and 1 by 10 will become 0.1. So, now if we will add, so what will happen? 3 plus 0.1 becomes 3.1. Any confusion for the mixed fractions? If the mixed fractions can be changed directly into decimals if they have base as 10, sorry, denominator as 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, let's move ahead. See, 9, 17 by 1000. So, 9 plus 17 by 1000. See, we have to, there are 3 zeros, we will moving 3 position from here. 1, 2, and when there is no number, we will just write 0. So, what happened? It became 9 plus 0.017. See, we have moved the decimal to the left position, 3 positions, 1, 2, 3. And the number became 9.017. Any confusion for the mixed fractions if they are having 10, 100 or 1000 as their base?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So let's move ahead now. Now I am going to the exercise section and I will be dealing 1 or 2 questions of each type so that you can understand how to deal which type of question in that. Okay? So let's see the first type of question. Here you have to find the place value of underlined digit in. I will be showing you a number and you have to find and underlining the number and you have to tell me the place value. So you can say 625.625.004. So 4 is underlined. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the place value of 4 in 625.004. Can you tell anyone What will be the
Thousand, ma'am.
Thousand.
Ma'am,
Thousand.
thousands? And how we write in place value form? We have to write it in the place value form, no? So what will be the place value form for this? It will be 4 upon 1000. It will be 4 upon
1,000.
we don't have to have place value name, but we have to show the place value.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। मैं मॉर्निंग कोट के जरिए आपकी एनर्जी के डेली डोज की डिमांड करती हूँ जो आप रोज व्हाट्सएप पर भेजते हैं। बस
Anyone is having another class also, your elder brother or sister, I think so. So please switch off the speakers so that you can hear only me. Okay, let's move to ahead. Let's see one more example. It's 1232.760, and you have to find out the place value of this 2. You can see the 2 is underlined here. So what will be the answer?
Ones.
Ma'am, one.
And what will be the place? I am
2, 1.
asking you. So what will be the number?
Ma'am, ones.
2. I am asking the place. Okay. Now, let's see another form. Write the decimal form of. We have to write the decimal form of 9 ones and 3 hundreds, 4 thousands. 9 ones and 3 hundreds and 9 hundreds and 4,000. You have to write this in the decimal form. Who is telling me?
9.034.
Any other answer?
Ma'am, 9.
Ma'am,
9.034.
Okay, let me see, are you correct or not? See, I'm sure breaking you so that you will never do the mistake. So better see what happened. 9 is copied as it is. Okay, we will write a plus sign. We don't have 10, so we wrote it as 0 upon 10. Then we converted 3 hundreds as 3 upon 100. Then we converted 4 as 4 upon thousands. Now all the numbers are assembled. So the number becomes 9.034. Any confusion? Any confusion? You can directly write the statement also, it's correct. But I have shown you so that if there is any confusion why this 0 is there, so I have cleared it here. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to the one more example. Let's see. 1, 1. Okay, you can see a difference here. See, when I was writing 9, 3 or 4, any other number, I was writing S with the numbers. You can see ones, hundreds, thousands. But when I have written 1 here, I have not written S. You can see. So for 1, 1 and 100, you have to remember this. Do not make this mistake in case of number names. Okay? You have to remember this. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So remember this. For one number, for 1, where there is a place value is 1, we do not write S for the number name. Okay? So what will be the answer? Who is going to tell me? You can break it and check. I have shown you how to. You can break
1.01.
1.01. Okay, 1 because 10 is not there. So 1.01. See, if you have a confusion, you can break the number in this such form and write the decimal form. See, better to be correct than to be wrong. Am I right? It's better to be correct than to be wrong, right? Okay, let's move to the next step. Next type of question. Express the decimal in expanded form. Express the decimal in expanded form and in words also. Means you have to write the number name also and you have to expand it also. I'm showing. See, I've taken up 1001, 100.001. 1 into 100 0 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. This was all the numbers before the decimal. These are the whole numbers before the decimal. Now let's see how to write the decimal part. See, plus, we'll put a plus sign. Then this 0 will be expanded as 0 by 10. Then this 0 will plus 0 upon 0 by 100. And lastly, 1 upon 1 by 1000. Am I clear how to write the expanded form?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes.
So, now my dear students, there are two methods of writing the number names. First method is that I have already taught you, that is 100.001. 100, as you will write the number name in the same manner as you write in the whole numbers and for the whole numbers. Before the decimal part, you will write the same method of writing the whole numbers as you write in case of all other types of numbers. But for the decimal part, there are two methods of writing. First method you can see 100.001. This is the first method, or you can write it like this. 100, same, see, I have not changed this one. 100 is as it, as we write in the case of whole numbers, natural numbers and everything. But after the decimal portion, we can write it as point. See, it's since there only one number is in the 1000 portion, so we write it as 1000. It's up to you want to use which method. It's up to you want to use which method. I've shown you two methods of writing a number name. It's up to you want to use which method. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
expanded, in case of अगर expanded form है तो ऐसे ही लिखिएगा तभी marks मिलेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेंगे. Understood? And for number name there are two methods. You can use any one method, but don't mix up two methods. दो methods की खिचड़ी मत बनाइएगा, ठीक है? लेकिन दो मेथड है, दो मेथड में कोई एक मेथड आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Any confusion?
Ma'am, can we use both?
You can use any one method. You can use any one method. You don't have to use both the methods for writing the number names. But remember to use. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand how to write in expanded form.
Simple. 1 into 100. Just for example, I have given you 242.52. Write the number 242.52. So 2 first 2 will be 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 232. 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1 plus, then I have said 4 2. So 4 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100. Clear? Any confusion? Any confusion? Who asked?
No, ma'am.
Who asked?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the another type of question. You have to express in decimal form and write the place value of the digits. Now comes the question. The form is given here. So what's the number? First tell me what is the number given here. Can you tell me? What's the number? Here it is given to us. Who will tell me? Fast. What's the number given here?
440.045. 440.045.
So the decimal form will be 440.045. And can anyone tell me the place value of form? The place value of digits. Come on, who will tell me?
400 plus 40 plus 0.
You are wrong. 400 or 400s. What will be right? 400 or 400s?
400.
400.
400.
440. 440 tenths.
40 tenths or 4 tenths?
440 tenths.
नैतिक तुम्हारी मैथ्स की क्लास चल रही है क्या?
G. Who's this one? Who is asking? Okay, it will be 400s, 4 tenths. See, nothing is there for 0, so we are not using. Then 400s, then 5,000s. Am I clear? Am I clear? Any confusion?
Yes.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? So let's move ahead.
No, ma'am.
Write the decimal number in the now we have to write this decimal number in the place value table. Please students copy this one. I'm showing you, copy this one. See, for place value table you will make a table like this. Understood? Am I clear? You have to make this table. Copy it in the rough register so that it's also, this type of table is also given in your book. You can find out. But see, what we will do, we will make a table, divide it, ones, tens, 100, below 1 we will write 1, below tens we will write 100, below hundreds we will write 100, below tens we will write 110, below hundreds we will write 100, below thousands we will write 1000, and just place the values under those. Means, see, it was 200.002, 200.099. We are just substituting the values below. Any confusion? Take a snapshot, and you can copy it later also, but take a snapshot. Understood? Any confusion with the place value table? So you know how to write it. Just use the method of displaying in the form of place value table. Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can I move ahead?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have you taken
Yes,
a
ma'am.
screenshot?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on my screen, your sharing screen is not coming.
Then there will be a technical problem for your side because my screen is sharing. Rest, I can see. दूसरे देख पा रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
technical
Yes,
problem from your side.
Yes.
बाकियों को दिख रहा है? Okay, let's move.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now another form. Write the decimal part. See, it's an easy one. Decimal part. What will be the decimal part of 100.050? Only the decimal part. Can anyone tell? See, the number is 100.0 decimal part. Only the number is made of two parts now. Whole numbers and decimal part. What is the decimal part?
Ma'am,
See the
decimal part.
100.050. Huh?
Ma'am, 0 tenth 500
Zero.
बेटा नहीं कह रहे कि
0,000.
एक्सपैंड कीजिए, सिर्फ डेसिमल पार्ट को पढ़ के बता दो क्या है. हम नहीं कर, we are not telling you to write the expanded form or anything. We are just asking a very simple question. What's the decimal part? Means what is written in the decimal part?
050.
0.50.
And here is the answer. Decimal part is 050, and this 0 has no value. जैसे for example in whole numbers, if we write 0 before a number has no values, in the same way in decimal part, if we write 0 on the right side, it has no value. So the number is 05. Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see another type. You have to write the whole number part of 106.005. Whole number part means decimal se pehle. So, what's the whole number part?
106.
Huh?
106.
106.
106. Yeah, you know. See? It's easy? It's easy or not? Easy
Yes,
hai ya
ma'am. It
nahi?
is easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we have to convert decimals into fraction. How to convert decimals into fractions? See. For example, 0.125 is given. We will remove this 0 point decimal from here, and when we remove decimal, we will write the number in the form of 120 numerator and denominator. In numerator, 125 will come, and in denominator, when we will remove this decimal, we will write 1 and count the number of values given in the decimal part. Here are how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3. 3 values are given in the decimal part. So we will write that much zeros also. So what happened? 125 was written in the numerator part. Decimal was removed. 1 was written, and 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros we required? 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we write fractions always in their lowest form, right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Yes.
So is it in its lowest form?
Right.
Is it in its lowest form?
No, ma'am.
So we will convert it into lowest form. So let me help you. 125 deducts 1000 by 8. मतलब 125 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 1000 होता है. So the answer is 1 by 8. So the answer is 1 by 8. If you divide 125 by 1 and 125 by 8, you get 1000. So in numerator you got 1 and in denominator you got 8. Now it is in the lowest form. So you have converted a decimal into fraction. Understood?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now comes question when we have to convert fraction into decimal. See, I have taken a number 7 by 8. But when the denominator was 10, 100, 1000, it was easy to convert. But when the number is not in that form, that it is not given in the form of 10, 100 or 1000. So what we do, either we use the log division method and or we try to convert the denominators in the form of 10, 100 और 1000. मतलब या फिर हम डिवाइड करते हैं या फिर हम कोशिश करते हैं कि पहला स्टेप होता है कि we first check I can we convert this denominator into 10, 100 or 1000. So just now you saw if we multiply 8 by 125 we get 1000. Just now you saw now, right? Yes or no? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
if we multiply 8 by 125 we get 1000, and similarly if we multiply we will make this convert into an equivalent fraction. So we will multiply 7 by 125 also, and we will get 875 upon 1000. And now this number can be directly converted into decimal or not? Yes or no? We can convert this number directly into decimal form or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the number? So what will be the number?
0.875.
875.
Wrong? You should read it correctly.
875.
Right. 0.875. बेटा अगर गलत read करोगे तो लिखोगे भी गलत. So remember, read it always correctly. 0.875. Okay? So now open your books or note down your homework. See, you have to only do in exercise 6.1, 1, 2, 4, 7 and 9. 1, 2, 4, 7 and 9 is in your course. 1, 2, 4, 7 and 9 in exercise 6.1 is in your course. And in 6.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Marked in your book?
Yes.
So I have given you 2 exercises, but the questions are less or more? ज़्यादा question है?
No, ma'am, it's less.
It's
No,
less.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
it
have
is less.
combined 2 exercises. That's why I have combined 2 exercises. 2 exercises को इसलिए मैंने combine कर दी थी. कोई problem तो नहीं हुई? Okay. So have a
No, ma'am.
any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Let's have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
And have a nice
Thank
day.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.